The long journey of rubber overseas. From the Western to the Eastern Hemisphere. Seeking promising agricultural land. That journey brought rubber to the land of Siam, a country with some of the best arable land in the world. Over 100 years of cultivation and harvesting, Thai farmers have discovered this wisdom, that rubber tapping at nighttime from 2 a.m. until 4 a.m. will yield the best quality latex. Landscape, climate, and the wisdom of the local farmers. These three factors brings forth the high quality of Thai rubber latex, recognized around the world. The world's best quality concentrated latex will be forwarded to the factory for another quality check. To ensure that only 100% pure latex will enter the compounding process to make latex foam that is soft but still elastic and flexible, before being molded into various products under the supervision of a skilled scientist at every stage. It is then heated to a high temperature before being washed and cleaned, dried and tested for quality before export, to ensure that all latex products are of good quality. Even if a small defect is found, it will be eliminated. Because RESTIER knows we all spend up to 8 hours of sleep daily, or 1/3 of our lives. The best rest is to sleep on a mattress that is designed to support the physiology of the human body correctly. RESTIER's research team is truly determined to work hard to discover the finest ingredients for the best quality bedding production, which is latex. It does not accumulate dust mites, bacteria, and fungi, so it does not cause allergies like other synthetic materials, such as memory foam, innerspring, or synthetic rubber. The product is certified by leading domestic and international medical institutions. It is flexible and durable. The ventilation is better than other raw materials, such as coconut fiber, feathers, or fluff. In addition, scientific studies from around the world have been consistent against sleeping on a non-ergonomic mattress that may lead to or worsen back pain, especially in the spine that should be straight throughout a wholesome sleep. If the mattress is too firm, such as with coconut fiber or innerspring, it bends the spine upwards. But if your mattress is too soft, such as with fluffy feathers or memory foam, it bends the spine downwards. Such distortion of the spine causes many bad conditions, such as headache, neck pain, back pain, and lumbago. If left untreated for a long time, the spine can be permanently distorted, leading to paralysis and even death. The special features in the flexibility of the mattress support your spine correctly, encouraging a good sleeping posture and a wholesome deep sleep. When the brain is fully rested, its functions are stimulated and is most effective. You will always feel refreshed when waking up. It also helps prevent early illness of dementia. It also improves the circulatory and respiratory system. When the body is not stressed, it is supplied with sufficient oxygen that promotes well-being, a glowing skin, slower development of wrinkles, and helps strengthen the immune system. And because it does not accumulate germs and is chemical-free, latex is 100% safe. RESTIER strives to develop various types of rubber mattresses and related products. The products have been certified by medical and scientific institutions for their ergonomic comfort design, with a 10-year warranty, to assure a healthy sleep and maximum longevity. Is it time now to pay attention to your health and your loving family by giving our latex bedding products as a gift? RESTIER takes care of your sleep.